I connected Claude to one tool and it made content creation insanely powerful. So if you make content, you already know that filming and making the content isn't what's hard. It's the research, coming up with the ideas, and knowing what to create next. Well, this one connection gives Claude access to a bunch of different tools that's gonna help you create content faster with research, planning, and it's very cheap. You don't need any API keys. You don't need some crazy subscription. And the best part is that you don't need any technical experience. And here's exactly what I mean. I can give Claude one sentence to scan the web, social media, and different platforms like Reddit, and it'll give me an entire creative brief of all the things that I need to know about in my niche. For example, any updates on Claude Cowork, and what kind of posts people are creating that I can potentially make a topic on or just learn about how to use Claude Cowork better. And it also includes the sources, the ideas, and the same thing for ChatGPT work, because essentially it's like now a competitor to Claude Cowork, and it's something that I can create content on and also learn and help my audience with. So if I click on view, it's going to take me to that specific post and I can review it and fact check everything. And now I know that this is a really good idea for my next YouTube video or something that I can include in my newsletter or just research for myself to become better. And I've created a bunch of different topics essentially that's tailored to my own niche, like different connectors and MCPs that I can use with Claude or ChatGPT, some other people that are worth following in my niche. And then once it gets all that information, it can create video ideas from that specific brief that we just created. And I actually really like this because then I can turn this into different YouTube video titles, different packaging, and see what will work for my own channel. And the tool that we're using is called monid.ai. It's essentially like the open router for AI agents that you can connect to Claude or ChatGPT or any AI tool that you're using like Hermes. So what is it exactly? Well, you want to think of it as a universal API key. You can have Claude pull data from a bunch of different sources without having to add your own API keys, grabbing all these different sources and tools. You can connect all of your platforms directly from Monid using their own API subscription. And I will go through some examples of what you can do with it. And this is not a sponsored video. I'm not even an affiliate for them. It's just a tool that I've been using to help my Claude marketing workflows perform better. And again, who am I? My name is Eddie. I make practical AI videos. I don't try to do anything with hype marketing. I just want to show you stuff that actually works. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to monid.ai, and they have a very simple website set up. You don't really need to look at everything unless you want to read the docs. But your first step is you're going to want to go to the top right button that says get started. Now I'm already logged in, but it's going to help you set up the entire process. Essentially what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on this first numbered item and look at the tool that you're using. So a lot of you are going to be using different platforms, but I'm using Claude. So we're going to click on Claude.ai and you're going to see this MCP connection. So essentially MCP, just to keep it really simple, is a way to connect your tool to Claude so it can talk to each other. And you can work inside of Claude or Claude Cowork and use the tools that you already use for your business. So you're going to go to Claude, whether you're using desktop or Claude on the browser. You're going to want to copy this MCP URL. And inside where in the browser, you're going to want to go to your settings, click on connectors, then you'll hit add custom connector, and then you're going to name it Monid AI. And then you're going to want to copy and paste your MCP server right here. And then you'll click on add. Once you've connected it, you're going to see it live directly within your own custom connectors. Here you can see that it says custom. And then from here, you have all these tool permissions, and then you're good to go. Now we can create some examples and what we can use Monid with. So these are all kind of similar, but the first use case is going to be very simple. We can research any tool or any topic on demand using Monid because there's connected to Appify. So this will work if you want to find a topic, if you find a new trend, or even just like a niche in general. You can have Claude and Monid pull direct information about these specific topics that you wanted to review. And because it's connected to Appify, there's so many different endpoints or calls that you can make via Reddit, Twitter, YouTube, regular web search. So let's go ahead and test it out, and we can do this on a random topic. All right, so for the sake of this example, we'll just use the simple Claude browser mode. And And we're going to have it research a topic in depth where I wanted to identify the tools that we can use in Monid so it can conduct this research. It's going to go through things like Reddit or subreddits, X, web search, and any social media platforms that make sense. And I wanted to turn it into a really good report using my Claude design system that I built. So it's really easy for me to review. Now, the topic that we're going to research is AI SEO. So this is very generic, but we'll see what we get back. Sometimes Claude will ask you some more questions to ensure that it gives you a good output, but we're going to go ahead and click on send message. So the first step that you can see that it's actually looking and discovering what tools it can use so it can actually achieve this task. So here is the live data connected to Monid. We have AI SEO, what the data actually says. And what it did was that it pulled keywords from SEMrush, Reddit, X, and YouTube, and it's going through search demand, the communities, and the content landscape for this. So the cool thing is because it's using SEMrush's data, it's saying that AI SEO is a pretty high cost per click for $16, which is one of the top % of marketing terms. It cost me about 0.03 cents to actually create this report, very cheap. And this is the entire stack that it used to create my report. It used SEMrush keyword metrics. It used Reddit to find the top posts and community sizes filtered by time window. It looked through X and it looked through YouTube videos. It's also saying that there's a bunch of different endpoints we can use if we wanted to go further in depth, but this is completely fine for now. Now here is the search demand for AI SEO. It's given us generative engine optimization, LLMs.txt, AI SEO tools. This is actually pretty good as a commercial intent. How to rank on ChatGPT, not bad. And then it's giving this really good report. So I even give you guys this report so you can review it yourself. But it's telling us even within the past 12 months, what is actually picking up and what isn't. AI SEO peaked, AEO did not. And you can review this on yourself, especially if you're like a creator or someone who's just like looking to find more information about AI SEO. This is actually really good to understand. Now we have all the kind of like subreddits around this topic. This is useful for if you want to go further into depth when we're using Reddit. And then these are videos from the past 30 days from YouTube and what's actually getting watched. So Ahrefs made a video 4 days ago about how to learn 80% of AEO in 19 minutes. Neil Patel, we have all these other really good SEO creators, I'm sure. So these are good things to review and watch if you want to kind of find content around AI SEO. And then it's given us some different stats here based off of what people are saying on X. So we got like Greg Eisenberg claiming AI search converts at 10 to 40% against 1 to 2% of traditional SEO. So we definitely want to fact check that and like look up the source. Same thing with another X post about John Mueller. And here we have another section about what we should look for and what we should do as a creator who maybe is specializing in AI SEO, or we just want to review further. It's saying go after AEO, not AI SEO. It's telling us to lead with Claude and not with SEO. Small channels are beating Ahrefs on the same topic by naming the tool in the title. It's telling us to skip this information about LLMs.txt. And then we have all this information. So now it's kind of giving me some information about making a video topic if I wanted to, or review further. Again, this is based off of my YouTube channel. So this is really, really cool. We got a huge report. And the cool thing is like, you don't have to stop right there. You can literally say things like, hey, this is really good. I kind of want to go dive deeper into XYZ topic, or, you know, I want you to tell me why answer engine optimization is better than AI SEO and why that even matters. So you can just have a normal conversation with Claude based off of the report that it came up with. And that's just one way to use Monid MCP with Claude. Now, while my own daily content research tool is a lot more defined and tailored to my niche, all I did was tell Claude to help me create a daily content research tool based off of that plan we just made with the use case number 1, and then have it create YouTube video titles based off of what's already working for your own channel, because Monid or other tools can also connect to your YouTube channel to see what's already working. And I can say a very conversational prompt such as, now that we've created a report like this, as a creator who's going to speak about AI SEO, I want you to help me come up with a YouTube video challenge and help me decide on 30 YouTube video ideas based off of all of the research that we've done. And if we need to add new research based off of the tools that we have in front of us, please do so. And I want this to work well from my channel at Eddie Baye. So this is all built on the AI SEO research that I just created from Monid. And then it looked at my YouTube channel for topics that I've already created or similar title frameworks. So it says that there's things I've already proved, like I made a video on this topic, it did somewhat well. I have other multiplier videos like AI blogging, which did pretty good. And then as a solo operator, this also works. So we also got some anchor terms that we can use to rank around these keywords, which would be really good if you're doing a video challenge because you want to be known as the expert on this topic. So here are the 30 video ideas that it came up with. And again, just because it comes with these ideas doesn't mean that they're all perfect. You can 100% refine them, improve upon it, and make changes. You don't have to use the exact title that it gives you. But let's just review some things that it tells us here. So for baseline and stakes, this is the ARC one. Our first video is I asked ChatGPT, Claude Perplexity, and Google about my own business. Here's what they said. And this video is going to be results led and showcasing each AI search platform and what it will look like for our business, which could be a good video. And some of these other titles are actually amazing. Like I built an AI visibility audit with Claude in 20 minutes. This is actually a video I can potentially create for this own channel. But you can see that this would be like a lead magnet kind of video, showing people how they can create their own audit tool, or I give them my own audit tool and how to build that in 20 minutes. We have another one for your website is invisible to AI and here's a 3-minute fix. This is actually pretty good because it's curiosity based. And I like the fact that it gives us like what the talking points or the summary might be for that video. Let's do another one here. So we have ARC number 2, building the systems with Claude, which is really good. This is kind of my lane here. We got some good titles. So the 5 Claude skills I use for AI search. That's amazing. It's something that I would use for my own channel. Here's another really good one. The Claude project I run before publishing anything. This is so good. And then just another ARC and then we'll move on. So here we have how to get your YouTube videos cited by ChatGPT. I think this is really important because a lot of videos are showing up on these AI search platforms and people want to know how to do that, especially businesses. And then some money and proof, and then the payoff. So this is cool. It's also giving us like kind of like how we should do this. It says do not commit to 30 days. Try to do as much as you can. 1 term per video. We also have some caveats here based off of the volume. It's US English only. So we might get more views, we might not. So this is a really good kind of plan. And if you have other tools connected like Notion or your own content planner like Asana, you can connect your MCP to this chat and say, I want you to add all 30 video ideas, including the talking points, into my content planner connected to Notion, and then go ahead and add that to my list so I can review it later. So not everything has to be stuck within Claude. So I think this is really cool. I think what we built is something that a lot of people would want to pay for, and you can build this for other people, or you can just use this for your own channel, just how I am. So that's it. You literally just created an awesome automation, and I hope you follow along. But to recap, you add the connector, which is Monid. You paste the server URL into Claude. You log in and authorize the connection. And then you test it for yourself and just easily type in a conversational prompt like find the latest post about your niche, your topic using Monid MCP. And then Claude will discover the tools with Monid, run it, and then hand you the real results just like I have. I 100% recommend that you do this and just test it out for yourself, especially with someone, maybe you're working like a full-time job or you don't have time to do research or you want to hand this to like a VA. You can teach them this exact workflow and build your first automation and then have someone review the output every day or every week if you're trying to get live data every single time for your newsletters, for your YouTube channel, for your blog, or just social media content. So here's what I would do next. You got Claude pulling real data. The next thing to do is have it actually build something with that data. And if you want to learn how to continue using Claude as a thinking partner and as a real working assistant, I'm creating a school community that's going to show you how to use different connectors and how to build things as a complete beginner without needing to know any code. And I'll be giving all the prompts away, all the skills, all the tools that I use, very digestible lessons. Nothing that's over 40-30 minutes long. They're going to be very short, bite-sized content so you can actually move the needle and use Claude, use ChatGPT Work as your partner. It's going to be coming out very soon. I'm going to have a link in the description below so you can check it out. I'll see you guys in the next video because YouTube is going to recommend this next.